Yo, Jquan. They are with Jquan. Cheers to life. Let's get it. Production team, big up on yourself. New year. Alright, talk to them.
We gon' reach out, these are for buy because I go below. Poverty for dead this year, we gon' kill you. We spend big budget millions in a picture me dog.
Anthem. Motivation for the youth them. Fuck. Yeah. I look can relate to the lazy. Satan I got massage on. Alright, watch out.
Because I go below. Poverty for dead this year, we gon' kill you. We spend big budget millions in a picture me dog. You can't lazy charge, yeah. Get up.
Dog, them can't lazy charge, yeah. Get up. Get up from round me, brother. Go do something with your bumbuckler life, yo. I want to motivate the youth them. When I dead, not that shit to it. You're not disabled, you can't work. Go hustle me, J. Go sit down and wait for hands out. And the sweetest time that when you sweat, make you achieve something. Trust me. No joke. Ready? Alright. Reach out. This year, we gon' kill you. We spend with budget millions in a picture me dog. You can't lazy charge, yeah. Get up. Cash that triple. Gone on the plane, I'ma snap that picture. Big stack of blue notes like me sell couple kilos. Regular day, this I don't know. So make our chairs tonight. Bumbuckler. For the new year, yeah.
For the new year,
Yeah.
For the new year.
Video clean your fuck.
For the new year,
Yeah.
we gon' reach out. These are for buy because I go below. Poverty for dead this year, we gon' kill you. We spend with budget millions in a picture me dog. You can't lazy charge, yeah.
Get up.
Cash that triple. Gone on the plane, I'ma snap that picture. Big stack of blue notes like me sell couple kilos. Regular day, this I don't know. So make our chairs tonight. Reach for life. Every day I break for life.
Yo, the dog vocals, bro, like, the dog voice, like, he have the unique voice. Couple man in a dancehall have the unique voice. You have man like Ragging King with other voice. They have Javinci, we have the unique voice. They have Movado, we have the unique voice. They have him with other unique. Yo, there's certain voice once you hear it, you know, see them. Yeah? Yeah. Top Good Records, big up enough. Alright. Reach out. Below.
Poverty for dead this year, we gon' kill you. We spend with budget millions in a picture me dog. You can't lazy charge, yeah. Get up. Cash that triple. Gone on the plane, I'ma snap that picture. Big stack of blue notes like me sell couple kilos. Regular day, this I don't know. So make our chairs tonight. Reach for life. Every day I break for life. Month I think we sacrifice forever. Hustle till me die. Cheers to life. Only days I drive my car to see how far we reach in life. No breaks could ever stop me try. Image trophy. That girl I send me clean, tell her I kicks by bossy. Mad dog. Grab the phone and take a pic and post it. Get a gal fast.
Kicks by bossy, big up. See there? Gonna get a promotion.
No breaks could ever stop me try. Image trophy. That girl I send me clean, tell her I
Kicks by bossy.
Mad dog. Grab the phone and take a pic and post it. Get a gal fast from a send a emoji. She say your roof full of star babes, call me the moon man. Grab a skull and wrap it up, I must do ral. Somebody call fuel, bitch, me need pure ras. Life is crazy, need a redo soon, fam. So make our chairs tonight. Star babes, call me the moon man.
Hey!
Grab a skull and wrap it up, I must do ral.
I'm bringing the chopper vibe.
Fuel, bitch, me need pure ras. Life is crazy, need a redo soon, fam. So make our chairs tonight. Reach for life. Every day I break for rise. Month I think we sacrifice forever. Hustle till me die. Cheers to life. Only days I drive my car to see how far we reach in life. No breaks could ever stop me try.
Bad. Jquan, big up, bro. For the new year, yeah. For the new year, yeah. For For the new year, yeah. For the new year, yeah.
For the new year,
Yeah, yeah. Oh my God. Oh, Richard. Go get up. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Oh my God. Jquan, big up yourself, big up yourself. Yeah, like I said, that unit voice, G talented man, G mad talented. What can I say? Like, let me say, if you can't relate, something wrong with you, bro. Like, if you can't relate to what the G them say in them song, yeah, something totally wrong with you, bro. You see me? Yeah, something wrong with them for true, man. But yeah, big up yourself, Jquan. Big up the production team, Panda Man, yeah. You see me? Yeah. Well, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Yeah, man.